Hello students of Standard 10. In Geography, you are going to learn a new chapter, that is Chapter 3, Soil Resources Part 1. What do you mean by soil? The loose rocky material which forms the thinner layer of the earth's surface known as soil. What is found in the soil? Soil is composed of mixture of inorganic materials or organic materials, decayed materials, some minerals, water and air. If you see its importance, it is very important natural resource. We get everything, our basic needs, food, shelter, clothing, everything directly or indirectly from the soil. It supports whole life on the surface of the earth, whether that is plant life, animal life or human life. We get directly lot of products, all cereals, all food crops, or all the fruit, vegetable, or indirectly we can get all meat, egg, honey, or lot of things indirectly. So soil is a very important resources among all natural resources. Without soil, nothing can be possible. It supports life on the surface of the earth. If we see the soil formation, it takes a very long period of time. The process of soil formation is known as pedogenesis, and the science which is the study of the soil is known as pedology. How is the soil formed? If we see the soil formation, there are many factors affecting the soil formation, and they are climate, parent rock, relief or topography and time. How is climate important for the formation of soil? Climate is main factor. Due to the climatic change, weathering takes place. The agents of weathering which is found in the atmosphere, temperature changes, heavy rainfall, all these are the main factors found in the climate or weather. They are able to disintegrate the large rocks and change into loose rocky materials. Due to the frost action that is also caused due to the temperature change, these conditions are able to form soil. Second is the parent rock. Which type of parent rocks are found, that type of soil is formed. So it depends on the parent rock. For example, if there is red soil, why is it red in color? Because of high content of iron oxide. So the parent rock has high content of iron, and that makes soil with high content of iron oxide and reddish in color. Next is the relief or topography. Relief features are also the main factors of the soil formation. The slopes of the mountains, where there is steep slope, a thin layer of soil is formed because it is transported by the agents of gradation due to the heavy rainfall or river water from the hilly areas and from the slopes. But in the low-lying areas where all sediments are transported by the agents of gradation, they deposit a thick layer of rocky particles or loose materials or sediments and form soil. Next is the time. Soil is formed not in 1 day or 2 days. It takes a very long period of time. So, time is also one of the important factors of soil formation. If we see the soil vertically, found in different layers. The view of the different layers of the soil is known as soil profile. If we see, there are two main soil layers of the soil, which are the parts of soil profile. First is the topmost soil and second is the subsoil. Topsoil is made of all the rocky materials, particles, sediments, inorganic and organic substances, minerals and humus, all are found in the topsoil. So topsoil is very good and fertile and supports agriculture, or farming is done due to the presence of humus and minerals found in the topsoil. Second is the subsoil. Subsoil contains parent rock, and when it is weathered, it forms topsoil. It does not support plant life. Topsoil supports all the lives, plant life or animal life or human life. But subsoil provides material for the topsoil, and there is underground water layer which supports all living beings. If we see the composition of soil on the basis of the presence of sand or clay, it can be divided into three types. And these three types of soils are sandy soil, clayey soil and loamy soil. What do you mean by sandy soil? The soil in which more than 60% of sand is found. This is porous soil and it is not very good to support life. And there is clayey soil which has high content of clay and that supports plant life. But when there is more water, it becomes sticky and there is water logging problem. But the third type, that is loamy soil, which have 50% of clay and 50% of soil is found. And therefore, this is the best soil. Loamy soil is the best soil suited for all crops, and it is good for cultivation of different crops. So, do remember about the soil which you learned now. Thank you.